In this video, I show you 10 biggest cruise ships in the world, but before that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's go. Cruise ships are getting bigger and bigger, and by the time a new world's largest cruise ship is built, an even bigger ship is already being planned. Cruise Hive looks at the top 10 biggest cruise ships in the world by gross tons. 1. Wonder of the Seas, Royal Caribbean. Wonder of the Seas, the fifth Oasis-class vessel, took the title of world's largest cruise ship from her sister ship, Symphony of the Seas. Gross tonnage, 236,857. Length, 1,188 feet. Passenger deck, 16. Passenger capacity, 5,734. 2. Symphony of the Seas, Royal Caribbean. Symphony of the Sea is the fourth Oasis class and 25th cruise ship from Royal Caribbean, and is slightly larger than her sister ships, making her the world's biggest cruise ship. Gross tonnage, 228,081. Length, 1,188 feet. Passenger capacity, 5,518. 3. Harmony of the Seas, Royal Caribbean. Harmony of the Seas overtakes the other Oasis-class ships just slightly, making her the second largest cruise ship in the world. The vessel is the first of two new orders from STX France to expand the large class ships. Gross tonnage, 227,500, length, 1,156 feet. Passenger capacity, 5,480. 4. Allure of the Seas, Royal Caribbean. This ship is just huge, and is the second in the record-breaking Oasis class of Royal Caribbean. This ship has 7 distinct neighborhoods, and too many dining spaces to count. This ship have features like zipline, and aqua theater. Gross tonnage, 225,282. Length, 1,186 feet. Passenger capacity, 5,400. 5. Oasis of the Seas, Royal Caribbean. This is the ship that helped push the cruise industry to new heights. This ship was the first of its kind when it arrived at the end of 2009. This ship also boasts features like the zipline and the aqua theater. Gross tonnage, 225,282. Length, 1,186 feet. Passenger capacity, 5,400. 6. Costa Smeralda, Costa Cruises. Costa Smeralda is the cruise line's first ever cruise ship, powered by liquefied natural gas. She's also the largest vessel ever constructed for the Italian-based cruise operator. This ship was finally delivered from the Mare Turku shipyard in Finland. Gross tonnage, 185,000. Length, 337 meters. Passenger capacity, 6,600. 7. P&O Iona, P&O Cruises. British-based P&O Cruises took delivery of its largest ever cruise ship, and first to be powered by liquefied natural gas in October 2020. This vessel is based out of Southampton, UK, and will begin sailing on August 7, 2021. Gross tonnage, 184,700. Length, 334 meters. Passenger capacity, 5,200. 8. Ida Nova and Ida Cosma, Ida Cruises. Both cruise ships are part of the Excellence class, operated by German-based Ida Cruises, and ordered by the parent company, Carnival Corporation. These ships are fully powered by liquefied natural gas, and built at the popular Meyer Werft shipyard in Papenburg, Germany. Gross tonnage, 183,900. Length, 337 meters. Passenger capacity, 6,600. 9. MSC Grandiosa and MSC Virtuosa, MSC Cruises. MSC Grandiosa and MSC Virtuosa are both part of the huge Meraviglia class, making them jointly the 9th biggest cruise ships in the world. This ship is the first Meraviglia Plus class, and was built at the Chantiers de l'Atlantique shipyard in France. This ship was christened in Hamburg, Germany. Gross tonnage 181,541. Length 331 meters. Passenger capacity 6,334. 10. Carnival Mardi Gras, Carnival Cruise Line. Mardi Gras is the first XL class ship in the fleet, and takes Carnival Cruise Line into the liquefied natural gas era. The cruise line took virtual delivery from the Meyer Turku shipyard in Finland. She brings one of the most anticipated new features in years to industry, the Bolt roller coaster. The first roller coaster at sea is just one of many new features included across 6 themed zones. Gross tonnage 180,800. Length 1,130 feet. Passenger capacity 5,282. Thanks for watching. Comment down below for your reaction and suggestions.